and good evening, friends. I'm Sirisha Pamide, living at Atlanta, USA, with my two lovely sons and caring husband. Since 2001, I've been practicing Anapanasati meditation. As result of meditation, I realized lot of benefits, changed my thought process, improved my health problems, positive thinking, and most importantly, transformation within me. Before sharing my experiences, I place my humble gratitude to Brahmarshi Pitamaha Patriji for introducing a simple meditation technique into my life and millions across the world. I will share my experience prior to meditation and how I come into the fold of meditation. Since my childhood, I always had spiritual thoughts and asking questions within myself like who am I? Why did I born on earth? What are my duties? How does God look like? Also looking people around me though raised within me as why there is inequality among the people. My childhood was very happy, easygoing, like many other kids, and mingling with others around me. My mother had five sisters and two brothers and had lot of family gatherings. In those family gatherings, all of them had satsang, and I always liked to participate in those rather than in playing games with other kids. My grandfather took me to Puttaparthi and got darshan of Satya Sai Baba. I was loved and felt happy Baba's discourses, and he addressed all his devotees as embodiment of love. Some of Baba's messages like love all, serve all, live to serve, help ever, hurt never resonated ever well with me. Baba used to take letters from his devotees during his darshan. I also wrote letter to Baba asking for spiritual wisdom, Atma Dhanam, though I didn't know the significance of it. During my college days, I suffered from allergic cold and none of the medical therapies did not give relief. I got married in 1998 to family devotees of Satya Sai Baba and went to USA for 2 years. I delivered my eldest son while I was in USA and relocated back to Bangalore 1999. My allergic cold started to take toll on my health and was unable to take care of my kid and not able to concentrate in household activities due to allergic cold. I went to allopathic, Ayurveda and acupuncture treatment but did not give any relief. As a result, I was not happy and started disliking myself. I never asked for any wish, but due to the illness, one day I stood in front of the Baba and questioned, if I cannot serve my family, how can I serve others? After raising my question with Baba, week later I received a book, Anapanasati, from my maternal uncle as New Year gift. I scanned through the book. One sentence, meditation is very easy as drinking tea. Got my attention written on the cover page. Book gave instructions on meditation and during based on the age and also gave the benefits of meditation like it cleanses our nervous system and activates third eye. All of us can become Vayuputra by observing breath. As I was reading the book, I went into meditation state and felt relaxed and got peace of mind. Also felt happy that I did not need to go to ashram or spend money for learning meditation. In my first day of meditation session, I could feel cosmic energy passing through Brahmarandha top of my head and energy spreading through all my body and especially the points where I got myself pierced by needles in acupuncture treatment involves a piercing of needles through the body and during meditation I felt energy at the same point. With these experiences in my first meditation session I felt that I could heal all my health problems with meditation sitting at home. I got to know about Patri sir visiting one of the houses in Bangalore and I went to meet him. Seeing him, I felt very happy and got my peace of mind and conveyed about me getting into meditation. I also shared my dream with Patri sir about seeing a book with my photo, with my details, my age, my name. And when I closed the book, I saw Patri sir's photo on cover page. Sir said it was my Akashic record. But I didn't know the meaning of Akashic record and I didn't ask Patriji to. Sir asked us to join meditation session and asked me to share my experience with the others in the session. First time I shared my experiences in the presence of Patricia, my first stage experience. It was very nice. Every time I met plan to meet Patricia, I have anxieties and confusion, but after meeting her, all of them vanish and my mind settles down. As a result of my regular meditation sessions, my health improved significantly, improved my confidence level, could take care of my kids and family very well. I got rid of allergic cold without visiting doctor or taking any medicine. I started reading spiritual books on Ramta, Mitta, Lobsang Rampa, an autobiography of Yogi by Yogananda Paramahamsa, Osho, and many other masters. Reading Osho's books, it taught me on how to live my life to its full potential and live happy. I read lot of books written by Brahmarshi Pitta Mahapatrisa like Tulsi Dalam, Pyramid Bhagavad Gita, and others. Started subscription to Dhyana Jagat and spiritual science magazines and read lot of books prescribed by Patrisa. Also, I always listen to Patrisa's audio messages. Patrisar always stresses the importance of non-interference, no judgment, no complaints, non-violence, acceptance. I started implementing these to myself and started to understand little bit about myself. I also understood where I was losing my energies and then shifted my thoughts by practicing meditation, reading spiritual books, and participating in spiritual works daily. We went to Chicago, America in 2001 to 2003 and continued with my meditation activities. Also got to meet Patricia's sister Sudha Koduri and shared my experiences there too. I had my second baby in 2003. Before conceiving second baby, a little knowledge about spiritual parenting and I invited soul and spent more time in meditation. So we came back to Bangalore and to 2003 and settled down in Bangalore. I started visiting Pyramid Valley regularly. Patricia, whenever he was in Bangalore. We had spent several hours meditating for Mega Pyramid Foundation in Pyramid Valley along with Sir. We moved to my own apartment in Bangalore and was very accessible to Pyramid Valley and was convenient to often visit Valley. As a housewife, I was busy with my daily routine of cooking food, breakfast, lunch, dinner for family, help kids with studies, take care of my in-laws and taking care of house cleaning, shopping, etc. I did not have energy or patience to do extra work as my body was not coordinating because of the limitations. I was trying to compare myself with others and started getting inferiority complex, and this was draining my energy, hormonal imbalance, and lead to thyroid issues. However, this time I accepted the issues. As a result of my meditation and reading spiritual books, I realized that these issues come to teach us lessons in our life. This is not punishment. I accepted my health issue. It did not affect me much and started to find the root of the issue and correct myself. Learned how to speak with others, how to be patient, having faith within myself, being courageous, and learn from the situations, no judging of others, and think positive. Knowing we are the creators of our situations, as you sow, as you reap, I was able to realize these spiritual laws through meditation. I was able to improve my confidence level and had abundant energy to do extra work apart from my household work. Since 2006, I started to actively participate in PSSM, Pyramid Spiritual Societies movement, collecting the articles for magazines, uploading spiritual content into website from home. I was able to pick up computer skills from my friends with ease and contributed towards lot of back-end work for PSSM websites. Ever since I started doing meditation and attached to PSSM, whenever I think of meeting Patricia in person, prior to that I get Patricia in my dreams. That happens even today. I had volunteered for GCSS, Global Congress Spiritual Science workshops and Buddha Purnami programs conducted every year in Pyramid Valley, Bangalore. I had started conducting meditation sessions in my apartment complex. Wherever I went, I used to distribute pamphlets about meditation and its benefits. I heard about PSSM conducting trips to various holy sites across world and they had planned visit to Egypt. As had lot of responsibilities within the family of taking care of my kids and in-laws, I got lot of questions in my mind of not going for the Egypt trip. As I was watching secret documentary video by Rhonda Byrne, after that I manifested a through in myself to visit pyramid. After that I spoke to Sir about my eagerness to visit Egypt and at same time having responsibilities of taking care of my family. Sir asked me, will you go now or take another life to visit Egypt? After that I got a lot of clarity and got lot of support from my in-laws and family and was able to travel for the visit. I had a lot of experiences in my visit to Egypt. As soon as I landed in Egypt, I seen one big energy ball around me that is Patrisa's consciousness. Throughout my trip, when I entered into Giza pyramid and meditated in King's Chamber, I immediately connect with my higher consciousness or Purnatma. I realized that even if Patrisar is not around physically, I was still able to connect with Sir's consciousness. No teacher has ever given so much of freedom to speak with Guru like him, coming down to our level to make us understand the importance of meditation, showing compassion. We can learn lot of things and improve our spiritual wisdom observing Patrisar, how to eat, what to eat, when to eat, what to say, what to see, how to speak, how to mingle with others, how to serve others. There is lot of healing that takes place in his presence. I feel state of bliss while being with Patrisa. I was lucky to taste Patrisa's cooking whenever he visited my parents' house in Bangalore. He is my role model, hero, friend, and my guide. After staying in Bangalore for 14 years, I had to move to Atlanta along with my family and had big shift in my life. I had strong attachments and memories with Bangalore Pyramid Valley, parents, friends, and had to leave them and travel to Atlanta. As I was reading Surrender Experiment book by Michael Singer, I realized and understood about what we surrendering to situations and the universe will show the way. With this learning and detachment in attachment shown by Patricia, I accepted the situation and surrendered to situation and happily moved to Atlanta. Started my new chapter in Atlanta and the universe gave me lot more gifts, reaching even higher heights in my spiritual journey to achieve Aham Brahmasmi state. I've been experiencing oneness and living in present moment. I was very lucky to be among pyramid meditators, and my cousin in Atlanta started attending meditation sessions in their meditation centers. I felt it was all Patrisa's blessing that I could still be connected to my activities of spreading meditation in USA and also have lot of masters around me in Atlanta. We purchased new house and moved in there around 2019, gifted by Universe. I started a lot more activities and got busy with one-on-one sessions for people across USA and Canada. In 2019, with blessing of Brahmarshi Pitamaha Patriji, he inaugurated Siddhartha Pyramid Meditation Center in my house. We have meditation sessions every week where others can join us for meditation. My spiritual journey has been reaching new heights and been more active in activities than before. My husband was involved in finding a place to construct pyramid in Atlanta and we had gone around Atlanta every weekend to find suitable place. Since then we have organized several meditation sessions, one-on-one spiritual sessions, guided meditation sessions, full moon meditation sessions, wisdom sessions and celebrated 4 days Mahila Dhyanama Chakram USA in December 2019. During the pandemic, I have become busier with a lot more spiritual activities like digital meditation sessions. Also, I was tasked as lead organizer to start first inner journey for US Masters. Working closely with Balakrishna sir, I had coordinated selection of masters with help of other masters for Inner Journey and was able to get more than 200 participants for the first session. All the masters had wonderful experience in the Inner Journey and has helped to spread awareness across 9 countries. During 60-day Inner Journey meditation program, we conducted 35 wisdom sessions on various topics. I'll continue spread meditation across USA and work on building pyramid at Atlanta and other places. Currently, we are conducting 21 days of meditation to strengthen our resolve for coming up of pyramids across USA. I would encourage all the women watching this program to join PSSM organization and spread the awareness of meditation. This will help the families and communities around. Women play important role in spiritual and materialistic life, and it's more important to guide the family on the right path for spiritual realization. I like to thank my Guru Brahmarshi Pitamaha Patriji for guiding me all throughout my life and giving us wonderful opportunities to spread meditation across USA. I like to thank all the masters who have guided throughout my life. And thank you, Sai Krishna Tej, for giving this opportunity. I would like to thank Mahila Dhyana Mahachakram and PMC English channel giving me an opportunity to share my experience with you all. Thank you all. Namaste.